that didn't sound too good, but I mean, it hasn't run for a while. So. Alright guys, here's the Trane. Just fired up. It's got an Alliance scroll compressor. A Gentech fan motor. And the top's kind of coming off. So. I don't know. That's oh, it's starting to get ice cold. It's starting to get cold. So the liquid line's already hot. So. It is from February of 2008 and it is a 3-ton. It's a 13 seer. And we got the neighbor's carrier running too. Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. That is really ice cold. It's wet. Like, where's the, there. And this one is from 2022, and it is also a 3-ton. And it was manufactured in March of 2022. Where is it? March of 2022. So yeah, and it's got a cheap fan motor, I think. Yeah, Chinese fan motor. So, yeah. There's my Trane starting up. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.